In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best H&M promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. And there, first go to google.com and in the search box enter H&M promo code. It brings you to that web page where it shows up different website that contains promo codes, and you can enter on one of them to see the promo codes. Here I got 22 coupons and there I can scroll down to see them all. But as usual, the best promo codes place on the first positions, and here I got H&M offer up to 70% off in their summer sale. And also there I got other offers. I can hit add more details to get some extra information about that specific promo code. And also I can hit there add show deal or add show coupon to see the promo code or to see the exact offer. Let me show you how it works with promo codes. There will be the promo code on that page. You can hit add that button to copy it to your clipboard, and also you can hit add get coupon to move to H&M website where you can make purchases. And of course, once you are ready to pay money, don't forget to enter this promo code and double check if this promo code was applied. If for some reason that promo code could not be applied, all you have to do is go back to that site and try to use another promo code from that list. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.